Kilalanin natin ang official, new and improved complete lineup ng Cebu Classic ngayong 2025 MPBL 7th season. Point guards, Jeco Bancale, homegrown player, 5'10", 165 pounds, 23 years old, 13.8 points, 2.5 rebounds, 3.3 assists, 1 steal, 43% three-point shooter, 83% free throw shooter in his 2024 Pinoy Liga Cup averages. Darrell Manliguez, 5'7", 152 pounds, 29 years old, 7.8 points, 3.3 rebounds, 6 assists, 1.5 steals, 24% three-point shooter, 70% free throw shooter in his 2024 MPBL 6th season averages. Jameson Hero, 5'7", 150 pounds, 26 years old, 6.9 points, 1.7 rebounds, 2 assists, 1.2 steals, 33% three-point shooter, 50% free throw shooter in his 2024 MPBL 6th season averages. Virgin Pagkaliwangan, 5'7", 150 pounds, 27 years old, 4.2 points, 1.3 rebounds, 2.2 assists, 1 steal, 20% three-point shooter, 55% free throw shooter in his 2023 MPBL 5th season averages. Shooting guards, Paulo Hubalde, new player, ex-PBA player, 5'11", 170 pounds, 44 years old, 9.2 points, 7.2 rebounds, 7 assists, 2 steals, 22% three-point shooter, 62% free throw shooter in his 2024 MPBL 6th season averages. Braille Meca, new player, 6'1", 177 pounds, 32 years old, 5.7 points, 2.1 rebounds, 0.4 assists, 0.3 steals, 23% three-point shooter, 46% free throw shooter in his 2024 PSL President's Cup averages. Russian McCarthy, new player, ex-PBA player, 6 feet, 175 pounds, 34 years old, 11.3 points, 6.5 rebounds, 4.8 assists, 25% three-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter in his 2024 MPBL 6th season averages. Cassius Small Martin, new player, 6'1", 185 pounds, 27 years old, 9.5 points, 2.8 rebounds, 3 assists, 0.9 steals, 29% three-point shooter, 61% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Brock University season averages. Small forwards, Giselle Tarosa, homegrown player, 6'2", 180 pounds, 26 years old, 14 points, 7 rebounds, 2.5 assists, 33% three-point shooter, 70% free throw shooter in his 2022 Cefasi MVP season averages. Mark Meneses, new player, 6'3", 178 pounds, 31 years old, 3 points, 3.3 rebounds, 0.7 assists, 41 field goal percentage, 58% free throw shooter in his 2024 MPBL 6th season averages. Brian Mendoza, new player, ex-PBA player, 6'1", 180 pounds, 34 years old, 2.5 points, 1.5 rebounds, 1 assist, 35 field goal percentage, 50% free throw shooter in his 2022 PBA 3x3 season averages. Jan Jamon, new player, ex-PBA player, 6'3", 180 pounds, 32 years old, 5.5 points, 1.8 rebounds, 0.6 assists, 33% three-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his 2024 MPBL 6th season averages. Power forwards, Vincent Martel, new player, 6'4", 195 pounds, 26 years old, 2.6 points, 3.1 assists, 0.8 rebounds, 22% three-point shooter, 54% free throw shooter in his 2024 MPBL 6th season averages. Jan Jabonete, 6'4", 198 pounds, 24 years old, 15.5 points, 8.7 rebounds, 0.4 blocks, 25% three-point shooter, 61% free throw shooter in his 2024 Pinoy Liga Cup averages. Mike De Los Santos, new player, 6'4", 195 pounds, 28 years old, 4.3 points, 4.1 rebounds, 0.9 assists, 55 field goal percentage, 61% free throw shooter in his 2024 MPBL 6th season averages. Dolan Adlawan, homegrown player, 6'5", 200 pounds, 28 years old, 5.5 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist, 40 field goal percentage, 50% free throw shooter in his 2015 Cefasi season averages. Centers, Ladis Lepalam, new player, 6'9", 220 pounds, 25 years old, 3.4 points, 4.1 rebounds, 0.5 blocks, 20% three-point shooter, 63% free throw shooter in his 2024 MPBL 6th season averages. Dennis Santos, new player, 6'5", 200 pounds, 34 years old, 11.9 points, 5.1 rebounds, 1.4 assists, 28% three-point shooter, 62% free throw shooter in his 2024 MPBL 6th season averages. Ken Holmquist, new player, ex-PBA player, 6'8", 240 pounds, 30 years old, 3 points, 2.5 rebounds, 1.5 assists, 0.5 blocks, 45 field goal percentage, 50% free throw shooter in his 34th Dubai Championship Tournament averages. Greg Slaughter, pending contract signing, 7 feet, 258 pounds, 36 years old, 15.7 points, 9.8 rebounds, 2.3 assists, 1.1 blocks, 67 field goal percentage, 80% free throw shooter in his 2024 MPBL 6th season averages. Ito ang official, new and improved complete lineup ng Cebu Classic ngayong 2025 MPBL 7th season. Sino pa ang team na gusto nyong lagyan natin ng lineup this upcoming 2025 MPBL 7th season? I-comment nyo na po yan sa baba.